The Taser training starts with the cadet while you're in the Pennsylvania State Police Academy. There's a lot of training on it. There's classroom to learn how to clean it, maintain it, how to store it, and then there's the hands-on use. 5 cadets in each platoon are picked, and they are voluntarily tased. And this way it shows what happens when somebody is tased, and then they get to teach, the trooper involved gets to teach the cadets how to properly remove the probes from the person and how to render first aid until EMS arrives if they're needed. But this way we want to ensure that if we use of force on somebody or use our taser, we know how to properly take the prongs out so it doesn't inflict further pain. Once you're a trooper, you graduate to a trooper, you train annually on the taser, and you have to recertify with it annually also. You do classroom work on it, and you work on drawing it from your holster and getting that muscle memory used to where it is. Now, our taser is opposite side of our firearm, and it's done like that for a reason. Every trooper knows the placement of all of his tools on our belt, and this way you have to cross-draw and grab your taser, so you're telling your brain where your taser is, and we get to that point through training. So all throughout the Commonwealth, there's training centers, Pennsylvania State Police training centers. There's a new one here, it's attached to the Troop P Wilkes-Barre Barracks. It used to be down in Wyoming. So depending on where you're assigned, you'll go to one of the training centers, and a taser instructor will instruct you, and you'll have to recertify with the taser. It all depends on what's happening at that specific incident. A taser would not be a good use in deadly force, because if the taser isn't effective, deadly force can continue. Unfortunately, tasers don't work every single time. Some people are immune to it. Some people, unfortunately, if they're on a controlled substance, they may not feel the taser. Or if they have a lot of layers of clothing on, the electricity might not be close enough, the prongs might not be close enough to feel that electricity inside their body. So it's not foolproof. It might not work every time, so it all depends on that situation, and it would not be a good use in deadly force.